Load your family into the 2011 Nissan Murano. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, a roof rack, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.